Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a pretty good day in the sense of understanding what's the macro context and macro structure as well, right? So opening at right here, right? So I had this blue algo from yesterday, right? And we started rejecting around here, right? So entry would have been in the 1 minute, which I'll show you, right? And then we're just guided down by that blue the whole day till 11:30ish, right? Then we also have this pink, right? This pink support, so that's major support still, so you have to know that you have to protect over here, right? And I'm going to show you that in a 1 minute as well. And then we're just breaking out of the blue, right? And then we've been in that uptrend right there, right? Although we're tapering up here, right? We were tapering up here, or we are tapering up here, right? So it's not a trade for me to be in. It wasn't fun, so I exited pretty early, right? But I did catch this trade right here up, right, till right here, but I exited after here. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the trades intraday. So we are gonna close this cup right now, hopefully, and then wait for the handle. But I'm done for the day, so I'm just gonna show you what trades happen. So of course, right here, right, we had this teal, right, that I entered right here, or at the break right here, right, and then just followed with the blue algo, right, the blue algo guided down, as well as the stronger selling with the purple right here, right, so use both them to guide you down. So then we can see this tapering around this blue right here, right here was the first good entry, right, and then we still have this teal, right? We broke down below right here. Although you have to notice the risk reward right here, so entry right here would have been fine, right, for this little scalp right here. But again, you have to notice the support at the pink. Then another blue, right? This one was a pretty good entry right here, right? And then this was the trade to take it up to close of cup right here, right? And then this was my last trade. I took it from here to here, right? And then I also took a short right here. It was a pretty good short, a scalp, right? So that, and then I just couldn't find an entry on this right shoulder, right? So I just decided to call it a day right there. Like I wish there was a right shoulder, right? But there wasn't, so that's why it was a pretty hard entry. And it was just tapering at the top, so I just didn't feel that it was good to take a trade right there. Maybe could have taken the trade right here, but I don't really care about that. So you just, in these situations when we're tapering, right, either wait for the bigger structure, right? All I say is always wait for the inverse cup maybe, right, or the close of this big cup right here, right, which we still haven't done technically. So yeah, that's the intraday. I hope you guys just understood the algos, but I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen, and how we're supposed to move up, okay? Right, so you can see on the 30-minute, right, we were building liquidity on the blue, right, and then the break right there, right. So you just want to wait for basically that the cup close right there, right, and then some sort of handle, right, and then you're gonna have the blue again, right, and then some sort of deeper structure, right, and then break blue, and then we're gonna have another pink right there, and then we're gonna make highs off that. But if we reject, right, because there was signs of tapering today, So we might reject. So if we do reject, it would be like this, it would be like that, right? And then the teal algo right here, right? We're gonna break teal, right? The microstructure, right? And then test the low of the day, right? Sorry, the previous high, right? And then after we test previous highs, then we can tell where we're headed, if we're headed down or up, right? And if we are headed down, we're gonna use the 5 day as resistance like usual, right? So 5 days gonna be used as resistance. But if we are headed up, right, we might right, I'm gonna show you a better right there, right? So what 5 days gonna be right here. We might break down right there, and then also take this trade right here, right? And we're gonna get another blue right there, right? So yeah, guys, just wait for the retest if we are headed down. But if we are headed up, right, wait for that cup to close, and then we build liquidity in that blue, right? And then we break blue. So the same thing you see here, you're gonna see here, right? So just wait for that and wait for confirmations and see the tapering, because there's a strong tapering right here, right? So you need to be careful. Wait for better risk to reward. Don't take the trade just because you see the structure. Wait for better risk to reward, and it'll pay off. All right, guys, have a great rest of the day, and see you guys tomorrow, Friday. Again, Friday, if there's no continuation structure, it might be just a chop, right? So if you don't see a cup close today, it might be a chop tomorrow. Or if we don't see a cup close tomorrow early, it might be a chop tomorrow afternoon. So just wait for tomorrow. You might want to call tomorrow off, right? But yeah, all right, guys. Just follow the algos. Wait for if we do test the previous high, right? Ultimately, I do want to see us testing previous high, right? That would be the best case scenario, because we're building a lot of support if we go up, right? And but if we don't, right, if we don't test the all-time high and we keep going up from here, it just means it's an easier way down, and I do prefer that. I'm not gonna lie, an easy way down is so much easier to trade, right? Compared to like if you have so much support, you're always gonna have to grab liquidity, or you're just gonna get you're just not gonna get that bigger move, right? But if we keep heading up from here without testing previous high, then it's just better for us if we are headed down in next week, right? But yeah, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. But have a great day.